Okay, hello everybody. Here today, and we're doing a somewhat part 2 in the noisy basement today of the Compaq Prosignia 200. Reason being is because if you've watched the previous video or the original crappy video, you'll know that the password for the NT4 on this is completely locked. And I've found the solution to this. I'm going to turn this on so it might power up. Just be warned. Okay, good, it didn't. So I found the solution for this is that you need an NTFS boot disk of some sort. So in this case, I'm going to be using the high-runs boot CD. And from there, you can use the login.scr trick to gain access to the administrator account, which is what I'm going to do. So, let's get going. Hopefully nothing goes pop. We're using this 1920 by 1080p monitor, even though I'm really not going to use that. Sucked in the CD. The discs are seeking. I have this on manual focus because the autofocus is absolutely terrible. Hopefully we don't get the stupid blurring when there's no need for it to blur. And you can see that goes stays not blurry up until the last second. So here we go. I actually managed to plug the keyboard into the right spot this time, I think. Cause yeah, it would have given me that error beforehand, but I don't know. Got our Seagates. Yes, here we go. Mini Windows XP. This is the beauty of the high-runs boot CD. Hopefully this will run on a Pentium 2. It might not run well, but I hope it'll run. Oh, hold on, let me feed the mouse underneath the keyboard there. Alright, numlock. Alright. We are off to the races. I wish these hard drives weren't so loud, that way I wouldn't have to talk over them, but what are you gonna do? This one's actually noisier when it starts up. You know what this is, actually? Yeah, Compaq server. Maybe a video on that later. We'll see. Still in the testing phase. And just while we're noting, lack of any SCSI hardware. Just to note, I have the video mode on this set to fluorescent lighting. So hopefully that'll make it look a little bit better under this lighting and not so dim all the time. I don't know though, we'll see. Post-production, this might be actually terrible, but we'll see. It's an experiment. So we're booting Windows XP. Quite slowly, but it's still booting nonetheless, so I don't care. And it's doing some drive seeks, so I'm hoping it automatically detects the SCSI hardware. Yeah. That'd be nice if it automatically detects the SCSI hardware. Woo! What? Oh, the graphics hardware is bugging out, man. Out of virtual memory. Uh-oh. 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 Not good. There's not enough memory. Ah! Uh-oh. And it can't use the disk either, the CD, because that doesn't do read-write. I hope this works. If not, I'll have to check the boot disk and see if there's any NTFS partition reading software on there, and if not, then I'll just have to put more RAM in it if I can. I'm not sure I can though, because I think this has Edo RAM in it, and Edo RAM is kind of not all that great in terms of expandability. This has gone on for 5 minutes now, so I'm going to cut, and I'll be back when this either 1 fails or 2 works. So be right back, kind of. So it's been sitting on this screen for a while, so I guess it's not going to take. So I'm going to shut it off, let the drive spin down, and then we'll try this again. Alright, take 2. How is this not focusing correctly on manual focus? Seriously? Like, serious. Oh look, you can see my reflection. I'm wearing my pajamas still because I'm too lazy to get out of them. Haha. So, I think this needs 384 megs and this only has 160 some megs. I don't know if this takes Edo RAM or not. I don't think it does because it wouldn't have that big right now if it didn't. So if this does take SD RAM, which I'm almost certain it does, I'm gonna go scavenge some SD RAM and pop in 512 meg so I can actually access the drive. I'm thinking. Let's see on this disk first if it has any stuff here. Linux-based rescue environment, DOS programs. Let's see. Boot. DOS programs. Let's see. Partition tools, password and registry tools. Let's try that. NT2000. Let's. You know, I swear this didn't work, but I'm just gonna try these tools really quick. Alright, well, I'll be back once I have this password cracked. Or try to, anyway. Well, it doesn't appear to want to do this either, so it looks like my best bet is going to be the login.scr trick. So, powering this down, and I'm going to scavenge some SD RAM to put in there. But, first off, let me get my handy dandy phone flashlight out so I can see, well, you can see on the inside of this. We'll see where the RAM is, and we'll see what kind of RAM it is. Alright. Let me just set the phone down real quick so I can set the camera down real quick so I can take this side panel off. There we go. Beauty. So there's our RAM, and it is in fact Edo RAM. Crap. That is not good. It smells kind of hot, which is not really ideal. It does not have any SD RAM slots at all. Which, okay, guess I'm gonna have to live with. Are there any bulge capacitors on this, I wonder? I'm seeing capacitors down there that I can't really get a good view on, no matter how I look at them. No, I don't think they're bulged. They don't look it. Anyway, back to what I was doing. We're just going to boot back into the utilities there, and since Hiren's boot CD didn't work the first time that I tried it, what I'll do is I'll try those other utilities it had on the disk. So let me get the side panel on and we'll boot back up into the HBCD. Okay, take 3. Power. Something interesting I just noticed, the BIOS on this, 419-2000. It's a Pentium 2 system. So either they had some serious issues, or they didn't bother to fix the issues until 4/19/2000. Wah. Okay, gonna boot back into Hi-Rens in just a second. Here we go, DOS programs. I like how it tries to access the floppy disk, which is funny. Let's see, testing tools, recovery tools, password tools. Yep, let's do password and registry. To bypass password, I'm going to do conboot. Ooh! That's cute. I'm not sure if this will work either, actually. It's not seeking the disk or anything. Oh, what's going on? Oh yay, it's ready. Here we go. Windows NT Server 4. We're booting. I'll be back once this boots up. Okay, well, it rebooted midway through, so clearly that's not going to work. On to the next tool, I guess. I don't know why it rebooted, that's silly. Okay, this is just going through all this. Alright. So this does have an NTFS driver in it. So this is sort of a DOS thing, so we can use this. Oh, I can do SAM dump. Alright. Or file. No. Alt F. Exit. Alright. Here we are, password and registry tools. ATAPWD, was it that? No, it was NTPWD. Here we are. Tools? Okay, what? I'm confused here. What do you add? To extract password, auto detection mode. Okay, so NT, alright, I'm going to take a picture of this because it'll make it easier. Oh, I just took a video. Oh my god. This phone. There. Alright. Alt F, X. Alright. Back. Crap. DOS. Alright, there we go. Alright, so what do I want to do? I want to do NTCP / WinNT / System32 / config / SAM. Okay, it seemed to have detected that, so SAM dump. SAM. There we are. Now, what does that do for me? Because I can't really see the password. Alright, let me figure this out. Okay, so I changed it. I'm not going to show you my password though, because it's the password I always use. So, exclamation to quit. Right Hive files, yes. Okay, so now I should be able to reboot. Main boot menu. Here we go. Do a reboot. I'll let it just boot normally into WinNT, so I'm going to remove the CD. Okay, the batteries need to be changed because they suck, so be right back, I guess. Okay, so it just blue screened and it said there was a SAM inconsistency. So I think I have broken my Windows NT installation. Yay! I'm gonna have to invoke last good configuration, I'm thinking. So I'm gonna go into here and slam the spacebar, original configuration. Hopefully that doesn't blue screen again. If not, I'm gonna have to probably go back into the tool, see what I can do, because I'm gonna be pissed if I broke this installation. Like, mad. Well, be back when this blue screen boots up. Okay, so here's where about we blue screened last time, and it in fact has. This error indicates that the SAM server has encountered an internal consistency error in its database. So it wanted auto check to run last time, and I think this time I'm going to let auto check run. And if that can fix my problem, yay. If it can't, that's really all I can say, I guess. It's really gonna suck if I have to reinstall Windows NT because of that freaking problem, but I don't know, what are you gonna do, I guess. It's really stupid that it blue screens because of a SAM inconsistency, like seriously? How dumb can you get? Alright. So we're gonna invoke last good like we did last time. Alright, original config. And it's probably gonna want to run auto check, which I'm gonna let happen because I really don't want to deal with this crap again. So I'll be back when auto check finishes or it blue screens again. And I have to go back into high rens. Okay, so it finished the auto check and it's rebooted and it's booting up again, so hopefully this will work, and if it doesn't, then we're going to have to go back into the high rens stuff and fix it from there. I'm not even sure it can be fixed at this point, honestly, but hell, no, it's still gonna blue screen. Alright, well, back to the high rens disk. Alright. I'm not sure why it's doing that, and I can't find anything on Google. Okay, there's something on the Microsoft website that says something about a corrupt SAM hangs NT server. It's just loading up here. Alright, here we go. Let's go back into DOS here. Let's see. Okay, I guess it doesn't actually tell you anything else about the bug. Okay, well, let's go into our password and registry tools again then. I'll open up my little picture. Alright, NTPWD. Standard, yep. Alright. Let me just get this done and I'll be back. Okay, so it appears that the SAM file has actually gone missing. So, haha, yay. Let's see here. I'm gonna see if I can make a file there. call it Sam. Unknown drive specifications, -dev. This is the pain. Okay, so I'm using NTFS for DOS, which I could have done in the first place if I had realized it was on this disk. But alright, we have our thing up, so I'm going to frig around in this for a little bit. We'll see if I can get it to work. So, in NTFS for DOS, I navigated to the SAM directory and went to edit it, and come to find out, the SAM file is completely empty. So what I think I need to do now is somehow get a SAM file onto this and have it work. Yeah, this is harder than it seems, I think, because this is an encrypted file. I don't think I can just type anything into there. But I'm going to try, and hopefully it'll work. So what I've done is I've just outright deleted the SAM file, because it's not like there's anything to it anyway, so nothing can get worse than it already is, I guess. So I'm going to reboot, and if it blue screens, it blue screens. So it might blue screen again. It's going to here in a second, I bet. Whoa! No way! It's actually going to let me do that with no SAM file? What? No way this is gonna work. I'm not sure this is gonna actually log in though, because it doesn't seem to be doing all that great. Thought it would have been done by now. Or at least gone on to the next screen. Wow, it actually logged in. I can't believe that. That's insane. Okay, well. Wow, that's awesome. I'm just gonna say something right now. I would not at all recommend that as a way to crack a Windows NT4 password in the slightest. That was so ghetto, it was not even funny. Don't do that again. God, that was bad. So, this appears to like it was a web server. Wow, this is interesting. It's starting a TCP NetBIOS, named pipes, IPX, and NetDG. This is very interesting. Yeah, this is an SQL server is what it is. That's very interesting. Wow, that's awesome. I can't believe I got it to work by doing that. That's awesome, yo. And it's so slow. Look at the discs. Oh, I can't tell you how satisfying that is. Wow, I am so surprised that that worked. Okay, so, if you're going to crack an NT4 password, I think what you should do is not do what I just did, because that was so, like, fly by the seat of my pants ghetto. I can't even tell you. So I need to go and see if that SAM file is even there, because if it complained about a corrupted SAM file, then why didn't it complain about a missing SAM file? Like, I don't get it. That is so weird, though. Oh, wow, I can't believe that worked. So this seems to be working. I'm gonna raise the pixels here. Oh, it only can do 16 colors there. So millions of colors is only 640 by 480. Wow, this graphics card is so bad. Oh, that's so bad. Alright, you know what? I'd rather have 256 colors, honestly. at a higher refresh, or higher res. There we go. Alright, glorious. We're done here. C. Now, come on. WinNT. System 32. Config. Yeah, it just remade a SAM file. That's crazy. I can't believe it did that. See, it just remade the SAM file. Wow. That's insane. I can't believe. So now that we've confirmed it actually works, I'm just going to look through all the programs. APC PowerShoot Business Edition. So there was an APC connected to this. Avert Gateway Suite. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to start it up and take a look at it. MS XML 4.0. Java 2.0. Wow. Cougar Mountain Software. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's a peer-to-peer thing, I think. There's Compaq tools on here. They had Tektronix Phaser 850 hooked up to this at one point. I don't know what that is. The Razor's Edge 7. I don't know what that is either. I'm gonna look at it. So that's what this is. It's nothing apparently. Okay. Alright. Starting up the Razor's Edge. Oh, that's what the black baud thing is. Alright. Okay. Can I X out of view? Because I don't want you open, honestly. Start task manager. I'm doing this the lazy way. Re7. Go to process. End process. Yes. Okay, that's awesome. Let's see what they have in the downloads. Attach database.exe. Fresh permissions 19.exe. Restore utility exe. I'm going to do a disk defrag and see how fragmented this is. Let's see. Oh, do they not have a defrag.exe? Alright, you know what? Time to start command prompt. cmd.exe. Alright. Defrag.exe. Oh, it's not going to do it there. So now I found something very interesting. Not defrag because I'm doing a search for it. ARC logo. Blood services. This probably used to belong to the Ark of Steuben. Let's see, what are these? I'm gonna open them. Oh. No. I guess that's not that. Well, there's no defrag, I guess. That's silly. I don't know why there's not a defrag on this, but whatever. Let's go to disk C. Was it called something different in NT4? I wonder. Was it called like what is it? God dang it. I'm not sure what they called it. Alright, I'm gonna Google it. Okay, so apparently there never was a defrag for NT4, so there's that. That explains it. See what's in my briefcase. Not enough memory to open the briefcase database. How? Doesn't make any sense. Computer properties, NT4 performance. It's 500 megs worth of virtual memory, so that should be fine. Okay, well, Let's quit Raywin Blackbod.
You've got mail.
Oh, I have mail. Not enough memory still? That's preposterous. Is this an EXE? I swear to God, if this is a hidden EXE, you open some arbitrary folder. View, options, view, file types. Show all files. Okay, hide file extensions is off. Display compressed files, display full path. Okay, file types. So that really is a briefcase. Build notes. Let's look at it. Ah, it's for Razor's Edge. Cool. Cool. Well, this has certainly been interesting, and I think we're pretty much done here, actually.
You've got mail.
Oh, wow. This has been an adventure and a half, so I'm going to shut her down. I'm going to say thank you for watching, and don't do what I did, because it's stupid. I'm going to post a website in the description where it tells you how to actually crack an NT4 password properly, and not do what I did. It'll direct you to a site with the NTFS for DOS thing, but they want you to pay for it. But with the high-res boot CD, you don't have to pay for it, I guess. So, yay. You can do it that way. The disk is cratered. So, yeah, I guess we're not going to shut down in the near future. So, thank you very much for watching, everyone, and have a nice day.